Welcome to this interesting idea of solving exponential equations. Well, we actually done a beginning video on this, but we weren't using logarithms. And I'm going to show you why and when to use logarithms using this idea over here. So we're given that 2 to the power of x is going to equal 5. Well, you can't really do anything here. There's no common base. You can't find any common base using 2 and 5. There's no perfect common base, right? Well, we can use logarithms to solve it anyways. You can use logarithms to solve it, right? So, I'm going to show you how you can put logs or natural logarithm on both sides, which is a preferred method, how you can solve this thing. Right? So, what I'll do here is I'll put ln on both sides. My preferred method of doing this is using the ln method. So, I'm not changing anything, I'm just putting ln in front of both sides. So, doing that. And the reason why I'm not changing anything is because I'm changing both values by the same amount, and so they're still the same ratio, they're still the same output. And so we're solving for x, right? So we're going to use the property called the power property. You might have heard it before. And so all the power property is telling you to do is to put this variable here and put it in the front. Put it in the front of your logarithm. In this case, it's a natural logarithm, but the rules still apply. So we're going to have x. Actually, I'm going to do that in a different color for emphasis. I'll do it in blue. Blue sounds good. X ln of 2, right? So our x in the end of this natural logarithm is going to be gone. So we'll say that it is equal still to ln of 5. ln of 5, right? And so since we're solving for x, we can do some standard algebra here. We can divide both sides by this thing that's trapping this x, and that's going to be ln of 2. So we're going to divide both sides of ln of 2. ln of 2 and ln of 2. And we know that these two are going to cancel out, and so basically your answer, if you want an exact answer, the answer is going to be ln of 5 divided by ln of 2. But some teachers want you to have an approximation. Some teachers want you to have a numerical value, and they have a point because you can't really do anything in the real world with ln of 5 divided by ln of 2 without converting it first. So let me do that real quick. So let's enter these together using this handy Web2Calc tool, link in the description, but you could probably see it in my Chrome browser right here. Anyways, we'll just type this in. We'll type ln of 5 divided by ln of 2 divided by ln of 2. And we should get our answer, right? This is going to be our approximate answer. You could round it to whatever you'd like. I myself am just going to round it to the nearest 1/10. If I can bring that up again. Looks like we had 2.32, and so let's round it down to 2.3. So it's approximately 2.3. Approximately 2.3. That looks legible, and I hope this was helpful.